Namaste everyone, welcome to the class. Now in this class we are going to solve exercise 5.4. This exercise 5.4 is related with differentiation of logarithmic and exponential function. We have already seen the formulas related with differentiation of exponential and logarithmic function. So let us begin with the problems. The first problem is e power x upon sin x. So I will start by taking y is equals to e power x upon sin x. Now we differentiate it, so we get dy upon dx. On this side we are going to use u upon v because it is a rational function in which numerator and denominator both are function of x. So first I will write denominator, that is v into derivative of u, minus u, that is numerator, into derivative of denominator, that is v, right? You remember the formula u upon v whole divided by v square, that is sin square x. Now this is sin x into derivative of e power x. We are not differentiating this sin x, we are differentiating this e power x. Derivative term is before e power x. So derivative of e power x is e power x minus e power x into derivative of sin x is cos x whole divided by sin square x. This is dy upon dx. This is equals to, now e power x we will take out, and bracket we have sin x minus cos x whole divided by sin square x. This is dy upon dx. So dy upon dx is e power x into sin x minus cos x upon sin square x. Done. This is our first question. Now let us see the second question. Second problem is y is equals to e power sin inverse x. So if you differentiate dy by dx, the derivative of e power x is e power x only. So derivative of e power sin x will be e power sin x. And as this is a composite function, in place of x we have sin inverse x. We differentiate this sin inverse x. So it will be e power sin inverse x into derivative of sin inverse x. I hope you remember the formula 1 minus x square. So finally you will say that it is e power sin inverse x whole divided by square root of 1 minus x square. This is dy upon dx. Third question is e power x cube. So we will again take y is equals to e power x cube. Now again here it is a composite form because e power in place of x we have a function x cube. So we differentiate dy upon dx. First we will write this as e power x cube and then we differentiate x cube. So this will become e power x cube into derivative of x cube is 3x square. So this is equals to 3x square into e power x cube. This is your dy upon dx. This is third question. Now fourth question. Sine of tan inverse e power x. Now again this is a composite function. Here in place of x we have a function tan inverse e power x, and again in that here in place of x we have a function e power x. So let us first take y is equals to sine of tan inverse e power x. So first, when we differentiate this sine function and we will get cos. So it is cos of tan inverse e power x. Then we have to differentiate this tan e power x. So this is cos of tan inverse e power x into differentiation of tan e power x. So derivative of tan function is sec square. You will say that sec square e power x, and then you differentiate this e power x. So this will become cos of tan inverse e power x into sec square e power x into the derivative of e power x is e power x. So your final result will be e power x into sec square e power x into cos of tan inverse e power x. This is dy upon dx. This is dy upon dx. Okay. This is fourth question. Fifth problem is log of cos e power x. So here I will take y is equals to log cos e power x. Now here logarithmic function is also there, and e power x, that is exponential function, is also there. The outer function is log function. So dy upon dx. Now derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So here I will get 1 upon cos of e power x into d by dx of cos of e power x. So this is equal to 1 upon cos of e power x into derivative of cos is minus sine. So it is minus sine e power x, and derivative of e power x is e power x. Okay. So you can avoid some simple steps. Here I could have written d by dx of e power x, then derivative. So I avoid that. Now sine upon cos is tan. So this will become e power x into tan of e power x. Obviously minus sign I will write. So minus e power x into tan of e power x. This is my derivative of log of cos of e power x. Sixth problem is e power x plus e power x square plus dot dot dot, we have e power x power 5. So here again we will take y is equals to e power x plus e power x square plus we have e power x power 5. Now we differentiate, we get dy upon dx is equals to, now derivative of e power x is e power x plus derivative of e power x square. This is a composite function. You first write e power x square, then you differentiate this x square, which will give you 2x, plus in the same manner the derivative of this e power x power 5. It is, first we will write e power x power 5 and then 5 into x power 4. Okay. So this is e power x plus we have 2x into e power x square plus we have 5x power 4 into e power x power 5. This is our derivative dy upon dx. So dy upon dx is e power x plus 2x e power x square plus, in the same way, we have 5 x power 4 e power x power 5. Now the seventh problem we have y is equals to root of e power root x. So let us differentiate dy upon dx. Now the first, you have root of something. So root x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. So here I will write 1 upon 2 root. Here I will say that e power root x. Then d by dx of, now this root function we have discussed. Then we have this e power root x. Okay. So here it is 1 upon 2 root of e power root x. Then derivative of this e power something is e power something only, and then that something which is root x, we have to differentiate that. So derivative of root x is again 1 upon 2 root x. So the final answer is, it is equals to e power root x. This term is in numerator, e power root x, divided by, now this 2 and 2 is 4. This is root x, 4 root x, and then this is root of e power root x. Okay, this is dy upon dx. Dy upon dx is e power root x upon whole divided by 4 root x into root of e power root x. Simple. The eighth problem is y is equals to log of log x. Now here I will differentiate dy upon dx is equals to, now we have to differentiate log of log x. So first log this outer function. When we differentiate, we will say it is 1 upon log of this part, which is log x, into d by dx of this log x. So this is 1 upon log x, and then derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So your final result dy upon dx will be, so therefore finally you will say that dy upon dx is equals to 1 upon x into log x. Dy upon dx is 1 upon x log x. This is your solution for 8th question. Now the 9th question is y is equals to cos x upon log x. So here we differentiate dy upon dx is equals to, now u upon v. So first I will write v, that is log x, into d by dx of cos x minus cos x into d by dx of log x, and whole divided by, we have log x the whole square. So this is equals to, we have log x. Now derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus cos x, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and whole divided by, we have log x the whole square. So we can cross multiply by this x and then take this log x down. So here we can say that it is minus x into sin x into log x minus cos x whole divided by x into log x the whole square. So take this minus sign out. Here we have x into sin x into log x minus, it will become plus cos x, that divided by x into log x the whole square, x into log x the whole square. Done. This is 9th question. Now the 10th problem is y is equals to cos of log x plus e power x. So here we will differentiate. We will get dy upon dx is equals to derivative of cos is minus sine. So it is minus sine. In bracket we have log x plus e power x. Then we have d by dx of log x plus e power x. So this is minus sine of log x plus e power x into, now derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus the derivative of e power x is e power x. So here it will be equal to cos, we have differentiated sine, and then this log x plus e power x. So log x is 1 upon x and e power x is e power x. So done. Okay. So here if you want you can cross multiply. So when you cross multiply you will get 1 plus x e power x whole divided by x. Yes, I will use minus sign here, and then we have sine of log x plus e power x. This is dy upon dx. Done. Dy upon dx is minus of 1 plus x e power x upon x into sine of log x plus e power x. Okay. So this is your 10th problem. Okay. So in this exercise we have these 10 questions only. We have seen how to differentiate exponential and logarithmic function. They are very simple. We have the formula for if y is equals to a power x, then its derivative is a power x into log a. If it is e power x, then its derivative is e power x only, because log is 1. Okay, and in the same way, if it is logarithmic function, derivative of logarithmic function, derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So simple formula is, only here we have composite function involved with this exponential and logarithmic formula, so it becomes little difficult at some places. Okay, so thank you. In the next class we will see how we can use concept of logarithm, okay, to solve few problems in which multiplication, division and exponents are involved. Thank you.